your goal is not in her.
Good morning, people. It's a cloudy day today. Today is a Sunday, 7th February. It's quite bright there. And our vlog today is start at our little balcony here. Just sitting down here, having a nice breakfast just now, and just chilling and listening to the nature itself. This morning, me and my wife just thinking that I think what is the best thing to do on Sunday and lazy Sunday morning. But maybe if we wait for afternoon, because today we still have a trip to send to the mill. Our palm fruit still there, but we cannot get it because the road is very slippery and heavy rain last night, and we're going to wait it for until the afternoon, see if the sun, bright sunny day, come and shine the road, so the road is good. But see what we doing today morning. The ingredient is this. What is this? Alright, so this is kind of the best so that it can get it stick. So I'm still giving you guys a clue. I don't know what we're going to do, but are we going to show them the main ingredient for this? Ta-da! What are those? What are those? What is this? Some kind of seaweed? Yeah, seaweed. Seaweed. So you guys know what we are going to do? The next clue. Ta-da!
Kulit popya.
A spring roll pastry, yeah? 50 sheet. So yeah, that's about it. So basically my wife just prep everything, gets everything ready. So the spring roll sheet, that's how she suggests us to do. I'm with no experience whatsoever to do this. I'm just following her. We call this a seaweed, sweet seaweed, something like seaweed roll. I think you can call it anything you want, because you create it, right? Because you're the one who created it, so you can call it anything you want, as long as the flavor is seaweed roll. Right. Huh? Yep. You can wrap anything with it, right? From the beef, from the pork, from the chicken. Only you cannot wrap it with this. This is our baby here. Hi Simba. This is Mr. Good Looking. Simba, say hi to the vlog. Hi.
Ikanap na lipper ka.
Oh my god, that face. Huh?
Ako na lang lipper, ha?
Yeah. I'm gonna show them how to make it. This is another version lah. So that means there's two versions kayang.
Tanah lang gulong. Ikanap lang padit rin.
Okay. So kind of do like that.
Sa simpan ini, guys.
Basically, this is just an egg.
Baru dia lekap.
Then you should put it. I think that might be easier so that we can cut it down.
Bau pun nyaman, guys.
Yes. Seaweed.
Simpan
The
ini.
sense of seaweed is never wrong.
Lekat lah dia. Simpan lagi satu.
You kind of spread all the egg yolk on the top of the seaweed, so you get a nice You get a nice firm and
Sampai satu lagi guys.
put another layer on top of it. And just like that, bam. Just
Bam.
like that, bam, bam.
Bam, bam,
Bada
bam.
bim, bada boom.
Bada boom.
Bada bim, bada boom, man.
Okay guys.
That's not even cooked. It looks so delicious already. Oh yeah.
Gini guys. Sudah tuh. Kita potong-potong dah dia.
Then you can kind of cut any way you want,
Yes.
right?
Sampai senang dia. Selipat dulu
Kind of
guys.
fold it into. Right.
Senang guys. Sebesar apa yang Anda mau guys.
Just like that, yeah. And then basically this is done already lah, yeah.
Yeah.
This is done. You just directly and fried. You can already.
Yeah, fried again.
Alright. Hey, somebody is.
Senang saja guys. Suka tiap yang macam mana Anda mau.
Alright, cool. In the meantime, I'm going to show you the view of a mountain, of a great mountain. I'm never tired, never get me tired to see this mountain. I always liked it. It's so spectacular. It's so nice. What's that?
Demi saja.
Oh, just like that. This is the finished product. So just like this, and then you can just fry it.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks amazing. That's so delicious. Not even cooked well, not even cooked yet, but my mouth is watering now, and I just want to eat. And there is the process. The process is just like that, simple as that. Alright.
Buat lagi bagus guys daripada beli sudah siap.
Yep. What my wife says, it's better to do it by yourself rather than just buy a new one. I mean, that this you can buy this at any store, any supermarket out there. It's best is you do it your own. Yes. You kind of like you can just choose any flavor you want, from the best seaweed, from the cheap seaweed. This is kind of, I mean, this type is the best one, the high quality one, the legit one. That's what I say. I think so, yeah. Just by the yeah. All right, bear with us. Look at this guy. He just take my place. I just want to sit here, but he just take my place and sleep there. With this cute little face, this cutie. I cannot say no to him. It's my baby boy here. You cutie, you big baby. Oh my god, the wall's shaking. Oh my god, my view is shaking. Excuse me, Mr. Simbers. Say hi to the vlog. Hi.
Pasyahan na yan.
Yeah. Just because I just touched a human being. That's our little baby. It's all grown up. Oh. It's a nice things to do on a Sunday morning. It is to wrap a seaweed with a spring roll with your wife.
Um,
This has nothing to do with your food, with what we are doing today, but this little guy has give us entertainers and give the best sound to our ear. It's quite nice. The sound is really good.
yeah.
Alright, let's just put this aside. It's waterproof and shockproof too. It's cheap, it's really cheap. If you want to know it, you can comment down below, let me know. If you have this type speakers, then we are the same team.
Champion.
Yep. So, how can I help you?
Tuwakan na rin gusto mo. Gusto mo ito alala. Medyo buso ito nga.
Yeah, because we have the best seaweed, and this is the finest seaweed in town.
Tuwakan dulu guys. Nah,
Oh my god, the slang of Kayan is coming out.
ano yun?
I'm reading it.
Ah, alala nga rin. Kusang bakay na.
Where it came from? Oh my gosh, this thing is really OG. It came from a Kongjin, Lianyao Lianshan Town, Shanghai, Shenzhou City, Guangdong, China. Came from China. This is seaweed from China. Way of making handmade sushi. Place a sheet of oyokinori in palm of your hand with the shiny side down. Spread sushi rice on one side of the nori as it's shown. Then add a fresh traditional sushi style condiments, tuna, salmon, shrimp, or add other seafood, vegetable, and wasabi on the rice. You can create your own masterpiece by adding your own favorite ingredient, starting with the rice covered edge, rolling and nori toward the center, and from a cone, the handmade sushi is ready. Unfortunately, we are not making sushi. We are making a seaweed roll because we are seaweed lover.
Nah.
I think it's going to rain again today. What do you think?
Ba't na lang? Berak.
So like this, and then I just kind of get this guy.
Ano yun ko?
So do I have to brush everything from the edge until the end of it?
Ba't ko kuya guys? Ito rin. Kering guys.
And then just put this on top of it. Bada bing bada boom.
Dukadeng.
So like that, and then need to spread another one here on top of the seaweed. Alright.
Ini dulu. Terus senang.
Sorry guys, coughing. I'm okay guys, don't worry. I'm not the CO19. I'm okay.
Sik lang naman. Ano
No.
yung birak dyan?
It's kind of typical day today because
Ada yang macam ini guys. Kita cek.
oh
Oh,
shoot, and then just put
That
this
is
on
right.
top. Bada bing, bada boom, just like that, right? Is that correct? I just touched Simba butt just now and press it on top of this.
kakakumana ako.
Boom, yo, masterpiece day, man. Right. Alright, now that you call a masterpiece, and so on. We're going to bring you see this afterward. A few years later. So this is the product that we got. Alright.
Satu plastik saja.
Satu plastik nih ya. This one about how many pieces? 10 sheet.
Popia ke 20.
Yeah.
Ini ke tenang. Jual ni 20 ini.
Yes, you can sell it. I think we can get
Bagi
it
dua.
20 ringgit.
Bagi dua nah.
Yep. So better make it your own
Okay.
rather than you buy it. After you wrap it just now, then just cut it like that to any pieces that you want, small, big, size, any shape you want, just like that, right? Just like that.
kesedapan guys.
Yep. Wow. It's starting to look so nice. And because it is a seaweed, so the oil color turned to some kind of green, I think. Yep.
Ani hinanan pa rin ba?
Oh yeah.
Dapat kemasan bermasak guys.
Yeah. Wow. So how do you know it's done, yeah?
Amas-amasan.
Kemasan. Oh, okay.
gold.
Turn into a golden color. Right. Alright. Then after that, we're going to see it next. We're going to see it when it turn. Now it look golden already. So much. Almost, yes. It is golden. Yep. It's turned golden.
Kita tidak mau dia hangus guys. Oke. Dan
Dish kan ni, kedalam masakan kan ni, Wan?
asam pedas apa?
Snack head fish.
Asam pedas.
I think sour, spicy and sour. Yeah. Snack head kadang ya, Pak? Wow, wow! Look at that. Now this is my lunch. Today, and this is it. The product that we make. That's so nice. Oh yeah, that's so good. Guys, everything is done. I'm going to have my meal. There you go. So this is the fish, snack head fish that I show you guys earlier. We want to try it. It's spicy and sour. Wow. Me gets a little bit. It's a freshwater fish we catch yesterday. I dropped some of my fries. And this seaweed cracker goes well with the fish. I like it. Okay, guys. Alright, guys, just finished eating and also the vlog. I'm going to end the vlog for today. Thank you guys for watching. And again, if you don't yet subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, likes and comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. And that's it for today. See you guys again. Peace, yo. Thanks.